This is a short video to show you how to use the quick graphing program that's linked here. So first you want to change the titles or labels of your axes. So the x-axis is going to be time in seconds and y-axis position in meters. You can see as I change those headings in the columns, the graph to the right automatically updates. So for time, the first data point, I'm going to make it 0. And then I'm going to just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then for the y-axis, the position data point 0. And I'm just going to square each one of those times. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36. You can see on the right when I add that information in there, the data points are generated. I can see that this is a curve. If I select cubed, it doesn't really match it very well. So let's go to squared, and it matches it as a great fit. So that would be my best drawn line here. And then there's the equation, y equals 1.000 times x squared.